What's going on, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to take a look at Stellar Lumens XLM. Is the bull rally over for Stellar XLM? We're going to take a look at it in this video. I'm going to make this a quick one for you guys. I'm heading camping when my boyfriend gets home from work. So I'm just kind of waiting on him to kind of get his ass in gear and get back and, shower and all that good stuff. Hook onto my trailer and away I'm going for the weekend. Hopefully you guys have some good plans for this weekend. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like camping? I love camping. We're doing some off-roading as well in my Jeep and stuff, so it's going to be really fun. So get back to XLM. We're taking a look at the bull rally. What is going on over there? So let's take a look at the chart right now. So XLM is actually produced a sell signal here on my CF Algo trading indicator. You can see here that we had a significant move down. We are still above that mark that we need to be at. We're right around support at that 43-cent mark there. So things are still, there's still the bullish setup is still looking okay. It is cautiously optimistic, but we're going to take a look at what is specifically going on here. So, taking a look at what's going on with crypto right now, sudden bearish shift right now from large scale liquidations is basically what's going on. Getting rid of longs, leverage positions. Bitcoin dominance has also been kind of up and down, and it has found a little bit more support around the 60% area. And that means less capital flowing into altcoins right now. So that's pretty much the gist of it. The overall crypto market is just having a cool off. Obviously we're seeing shifts in open interest with, longs and, just liquidations have to kind of happen before we see any kind of another move, because it's kind of one of those things that hinders the market a little bit. We kind of usually get rid of some leverage positions before we get any kind of another move to the upside. So the rally for XLM was fueled by a surge in Stellar stablecoin supply and futures open interest, right? That's pretty much the gist of it. And also some bullish news coming from the team as well. Traders are now taking profits as we've gone up, such a significant amount in a short period of time. The 33-cent breakout zone now serves as a strong support zone. So that is there in case we do fall a little bit further. But the overall structure, like I said, it's remaining bullish, but a break below the 20-day EMA could signal a deeper correction and kind of turn this thing into a bearish scenario. The next resistance we're seeing is 64 cents, representing a potential 52% gain from our current levels. Very, very welcome if that were to happen. And like I was showing you guys on my trading view chart, we were in this massive declining triangle here. So, and then we had this massive move up. We went right from like this 23-cent area all the way up to just over 50. And, we just needed a drastic, it was a drastic move. We just need a cool down. And that's really what's going on right now. This is a healthy correction for the market, in my opinion. We were due for one. And, even if it goes a little bit deeper, that is a possibility as well. We're seeing sustained buying pressure though. And this could, I mean, if the sustained buying pressure comes back, we're not seeing it right yet, but we were seeing sustained buying pressure. It was very, very strong to have that big move up that we had. If it comes back, we could see a push to about the 52-cent mark, potentially advance towards the January peak of 64 cents. Now, technical indicators are supporting a cautiously bullish outlook, like I mentioned, with the RSI cooling off from overbought levels down to about 57. So, we're still holding above that 20-day EMA, and as long as we are still in bullish territory. So hopefully things will kind of turn around a little bit here, but we could be in for some turbulence coming up in the 1st of August. And we're getting into more tariff situations and things like that. So just be very, very cautious of what goes on in the next week or so. If you're if you're doing any trading, make sure you guys are protecting your assets using stop loss, and also remember to take profits, because that's important as well. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.